this Yoga Nidra practice, find a quiet, comfortable space where you can lie down and relax. Let your arms rest beside your body, palms facing upward. Let your legs fall open naturally. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Feel your body begin to settle. Allow the ground to fully support you. Let go of the weight of the day. There is nowhere to go, nothing to do. Just be here now. Feel your breath moving softly in and out. With every exhale, let your body sink a little deeper into stillness. Feel the gentle rhythm of life within you. Notice the sounds around you. Let them drift by like clouds in the sky. Your awareness begins to move inward. Now bring to mind your sankalpa, your heartfelt intention. A short, positive statement such as, I am calm and peaceful, or I am whole and complete. Repeat it silently 3 times with deep feeling. Plant it gently in your awareness like a seed. Now we move through the body with awareness. As I name each part, bring your gentle attention there and relax it completely. Right hand, thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm of the hand, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, right chest, waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, big toe, second toe, third, fourth, fifth toe. Now the left side, left thumb, index finger, middle finger, ring finger, little finger, palm, back of the hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, left chest, waist, hip, thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, top of the foot, big toe, second, third, fourth, fifth toe. Now bring awareness to the back of the body, lower back, middle back, upper back, shoulder blades, neck, back of the head, crown of the head, forehead, eyes, nose, lips, chin, jaw, and the whole face soft and relaxed. Feel your entire body as one. Still, heavy, peaceful. Now bring your awareness to the natural flow of your breath. Do not change it. Simply watch it. Notice the air entering your nostrils, cool as it comes in, warm as it goes out. Each breath softens you a little more. Feel the belly gently rise and fall. Feel the calm expanding through your body. Now imagine yourself lying in a peaceful garden. The air is fresh and warm. You can hear the soft rustle of leaves in the breeze. Sunlight filters through the trees and touches your skin. You feel completely safe, completely free, completely still. Each breath connects you to the earth below and the sky above. You are balanced between both. Calm, grounded, at peace. Now slowly bring your awareness back to your physical body. Feel the surface beneath you, the air touching your skin, the rhythm of your breath. Gently move your fingers and toes. Take a deeper breath in and a slow breath out. When you're ready, roll to your right side. Rest there for a moment in stillness. Then slowly come up to a comfortable seated position. Bring your palms together at your heart. Reconnect with your sankalpa, your intention. Repeat it silently 3 times. I am calm. I am at peace. Take a deep breath in. Exhale fully. May this peace remain with you throughout your day. Namaste.